Good morning, everyone. In this video, we're going to look at Paragraph 7.2 Part 2, and it's about factorizing something of this form. So, why this specific form? Because it doesn't seem to have any like terms, but there's something hidden in there. So, what's actually hidden over here? Well, if you think about this A plus B times C plus D, you already know that with the parrot beak thing, crab handle, whatever, you could say that it was AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. We could also somewhat change it because sometimes both of the brackets contain the same thing. So for example, if we had A plus B times A plus B, same thing if there's a little arcs going on, but these things change the term. So what's A squared? Because A times A is A squared plus AB plus AB plus B squared, which is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So this looks a little bit like that. We already have the A squared and the B squared, but in the middle we're still missing something. So some might say that you have to use the minus. So for example, A minus B times A minus B. Well, if we try that, we'll get A squared, so that's fine, minus AB minus AB plus B squared. So that's still not what we want, because if we simplify this, we'll get A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So maybe remember it, maybe not. What happens if we take one minus and one plus in those brackets? So A plus B times A minus B. And we'll have A squared, so to a good start again, minus AB plus AB minus B squared. And we can simplify this because minus AB plus AB is actually nothing. This is A squared minus AB. So this is what we're going to use. If we have something of the form A squared minus AB, we can also write that as A plus B and then A minus B. And this is basically what we're going to do today, or at least in this video. And this trick it's basically similar to what we have been doing. This one is for next week because it's pretty difficult and I don't want to do that one today. So an example, if I have 16x squared minus 9. Start off somewhat easy. And this part over here is that A squared. And the minus of the 9 is your B squared. So think about it. If A squared is 16x squared, just A, we're trying to take the square root of 16, that's 4. And the square root of x squared is just x. So the A has to be 4x. What about the B? Well, over here it's 9. The square root of that is 3. So these are the two things that we'll need. And then we put them inside one bracket, once with minus and once with plus. And we can check this if you want to. This is already factorized, so this could be your final answer. But if you want to check it, 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x plus 3, times 3 is 12x. Minus 3 times 4x is minus 12x. So the 12x and minus 12x cancel each other out. And then minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. I think I'm going to give you a second example. So what if you have 25 A minus 36. Maybe you can do this one already by yourself. Maybe you should give it a try. Well, if you have or haven't, I'm going to. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of a squared is just a. The square root of 36 is 6. And then once again, but now with a plus. 5a times 5a is 25a squared. 5a times 6 is 30a. Minus 6 times 5a is minus 30a minus 36. Okay. One last example. Let's use this one, because it's actually a pretty difficult one. Why is this one so difficult? Because of that 3. But we're somewhat safe because now there's an x over there as well. So first we're going to use paragraph of the first part of this paragraph, in which we're looking for like terms, which in this case is an x, because we can divide both of these things by x. Then we'll get x times x squared, because x times x squared is x to the third, minus 25, because x times minus 25 is minus 25x. Okay, then what? This part over here is like this. So we can factorize this as well. So this is happening, side note, x squared minus 25, then the square root of x is, the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 25 is 5, so we have to add another pair of x, but then with plus. So using this over here, then we'll get the x from, and then times x minus 5, x plus 5. So this is already difficult, but this is like really difficult. And I think most of you will struggle with this, but it's okay to struggle sometimes. Anyway, good luck, and hopefully you'll have a nice weekend.